a uniform magnetic field of, so B is equal to 0.3 Tesla, establish along the positive z direction a rectangular loop of sides 10 centimeter and 5 centimeter. So area directly 0.1 into 0.05, so that area is 5 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter square. Current is I is equal to 12 ampere. What is the torque on the loop in the different cases shown in figure? What is the force on each case, and which case correspond to stable equilibrium? So first of all, torque formula, that is I vector A cross vector B, right? So tau is equal to I is 12, area is 5 into 10 raised to minus 3, B is 0.3, and now area. For first, our area vector is in the direction of x because our plane is in zy plane. So area vector is always perpendicular to that plane. So I hat, and B is always in z direction, so k hat. So here answer will come into 5 into 0.3, that is 18 into 10 raised to minus 3. I hat cross k hat is minus j hat. So that is the torque direction, and here force will be 0, right? Because see, A and B both are in this particular, if we talk about that, so Bill sin theta. So because of sin 0, because of in same direction, the force will be 0. Then second, here it is similar to this case because our plane is in zy plane, right? So area vector is I hat, and B is k hat. So similar values we found here. Now we are moving to third. See, now our area vector, so tau becomes, I am writing that here, tau is equal to similar magnitude we get, but here area vector is j hat now, and B is k hat. So j hat cross k hat, it is I hat. So 18 into 10 is to minus 3 I hat, right? Now third, see here, angle, that plane is making angle from x to that plane is 30 degree, right? From x, that is 30 degree. So angle between A and B is 240, right? So sine 240, so that is we get some value there. So tau is equal to here only 18 into 10 raised to minus 3. Sine 240 is nothing but minus 0.8660, right? So answer will come, that is 15.58. So here 15, this answer 15.58 into 10 raised to minus 3, right? That is torque. And again, see, for every case, force, for this 4 case which we talked, that force is 0 because that to force, current and length both are in same direction. Now we are coming to this here. See, now plane area vector is in upward direction, magnetic field is also in upward direction, so torque will be 0 because sin 0 0. Force, so here that is also 0. So this is called stable equilibrium because both are 0. And for last one, here angle is 180 because now our area vector is downward direction and B is upward direction. So tau is we get in negative value, sin 180, right? And force is equal to 0. So it is called unstable condition. So last graph is for unstable condition.